I am Mark Wethington, Director of the J.C. Ralston Arboretum at North Carolina State University, and this is Homegrown in the Garden. J.C. Ralston Arboretum is well known for their collection of Japanese maples. In fact, that's the symbol we use, is a Japanese maple leaf on our front entrance and our logo. J.C. Ralston, who started the Arboretum, loved Japanese maples, and he said that anywhere you are in the Arboretum, you should be able to see a Japanese maple. And so we still live by that with over 250 Japanese maples on our property. Now, people think Japanese maples are delicate plants because they look so delicate. Plants like this weeping burgundy-leafed one, Tamukiyama, are extremely popular. But given a little bit of care, they're very easy to grow. Most, whether it's a red leaf one or a larger green leaf one like this Japanese maple species, will tolerate part shade, but most are perfectly happy in full sun if they're given adequate water. They don't want to dry out, especially these lacy leaf ones, or else the edges of the leaves will burn. During winter, late winter, you can go through and prune out any crossing branches, anywhere where it's too dense. You really can create a piece of living sculpture with a Japanese maple by selective pruning during the winter. With the upright types, mostly all you need to do in late winter or early spring when it begins to leaf out, is prune off any dead tips you might have, prune out any crossing branches. In the garden, give them, if you have an organic soil or you compost, put down compost as a top dressing. That's pretty much all you need to do with your Japanese maple in terms of maintaining it. Mulch it well and keep it watered during dry spells. One of the things that you have in common, all Japanese maples have in common, whether it's a red leaf one, an upright one, a dwarf form, there are some that'll only grow waist high and spread, weeping ones. The one thing across the board you can be guaranteed with a Japanese maple is absolutely spectacular fall color. Most have great spring color as well, but that fall color is just, the burgundies intensify, the green leaf ones turn reds and oranges and yellows, really exclamation point ending the season. I hope you'll come out and visit us at the Arboretum. If you'd like to know more about what we do here, you can go to our website where you'll find lots of photographs, information on how to find us, and a whole lot of other useful information. I'm Mark Wethington at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum for Homegrown in the Garden.